And the next one is 2014 Topps Museum Collection. Gonna have two jerseys, two autos. I think 4 mini boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 mini boxes. So we'll get these out of the mini boxes first. Alright, one more. Come on. Yeah. Alright, 4 mini boxes, 4 packs, 2014 Topps Museum Collection. Gonna have 2 autos and 2 jerseys. 1 hit per pack. Rookie, base hit. And, so we got a rookie, a parallel, and the hit. Rookie is Cody Latimer for the Broncos. Cody Latimer for the Broncos. Not numbered. Got a gold parallel for the Packers. Clay Matthews. Gold. Not numbered. Clay Matthews for the Packers. Gold. And hit number 1. Oh, nice. Auto patch. For the Giants, Andre Williams. 2-color patch in the second or third window, however you look at it. Numbered out of 200. Andre Williams for the Giants out of 200. Nice one for the Giants. Pack number 2. Base. To the back. Looks like the golds are probably going to be 1 per pack. Got a gold for the Raiders of Marcus Allen. Marcus Allen for the Raiders. And the canvas portrait is that Steve Young? Yep, Steve Young for the 49ers. Steve Young canvas. And hit number 2 going to be nice for the Raiders, Khalil Mack. Jersey numbered out of 115. Khalil Mack for the Raiders. Jersey out of 115. So there's 2 packs down, 2 left. Still 1 more auto and 1 more jersey. Rookie, got a couple. Oh, nice, a red one. Few rookies in this one. Got a Davante Adams for the Packers, red. See if red's numbered. Oh, nice, and it is numbered out of 50. Davante Adams for the Packers, rookie out of 50. Rookie for the Browns, Terrence West. Terrence West for the Browns. And another rookie, Dante Moncrief for the Colts. Dante Moncrief. And the hit is For the Browns, nice. Johnny Football. Johnny Manziel, quad jersey patch out of 150. Nice looking card. Too bad he's got some issues. Johnny Manziel, quad patch out of 150 for the Browns. Nice hit though. Alright, last pack. Should be an auto. Rookie, base, rookie, and we are missing the hit. Rookie, base card, rookie, and a rookie. No hit. So I will have to write into tops on this one. Go through the rookies. Trey Mason for the Rams. Trey Mason. Rookie for the Cards. Logan Thomas. Logan Thomas. And a blue rookie for the Falcons. Devonta Freeman. Devonta Freeman for the Falcons out of 99. And we were shorted the hit, so I'll have to send something in the tops.